In this tutorial, I will guide you how to check if your Superbox is real or fake, so that can help you avoid getting scammed whether you buy Superbox devices online or in store. Now, the good news is that the manufacturer of these devices, which is My Superbox TV, have provided information on how to check for the Superbox authenticity. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now, you can always check for Superbox authenticity by verifying the seller authorization. Now, they say here, before purchasing from anyone, they strongly encourage you to check if they are authorized sellers. For each official seller, they provide authorization certificate that includes the seller's name, store website if any, certificate of expiry date, and the authorization code. Our certificate of authorization look exactly like this. You can see here the seller's name, the platform on which the Superbox is sold, duration of authorization, and authorization code. You should always ask the seller to provide this certificate. Also, the seller shows you this certificate. Come to your manufacturer website, which is mysuperboxtv.com. Also, this page here, select verification to take you to this section here. Now, here you can verify if your seller is authorized or not. Now, you can see here authorized info query on this page. Just scroll down here and you can see authorized info query. Now, here you need to enter the authorization code you get from this certificate here. Also, the seller asks you. So, again, you should always ask the seller to provide you with this certificate. You can see here the authorization code. Copy the authorization code, come to the verification page, enter this authorized code here. Now, verify if you're not a robot by copying this verification codes. You can just type this. You can see here on the right side, just verify you're not a robot and select here Inquire Now. Also select Inquire Now. If the seller is authorized, the result will show normal authorization along with their certificate image. If they are not authorized, the result will show not authorized. Additionally, besides checking the authorization code, you can also check previous customer feedback about the seller to see if they are trustworthy. Be sure to ask about their after-sales policy as well. If possible, visit the seller in person, inspect the product and test it before deciding to buy. Another way to check for the Superbox authenticity, should always check for the Superbox warranty and the device information. Now, the procedures are the same. Come to the official website of your manufacturer, which is mysuperboxtv.com, and select here verification. Now, if you're on mobile, it's very easy to see the verification. If you're on mobile, you can see here, click on these three dots here, you can see the verification. Even on PC, just like me, the verification button can be shown here on the top. Also select verification to take you to this page here. Now scroll up, you can see the device info query. Now here you just need to enter the MAC ID of your device. Now where do you get the MAC ID? It's very easy. The MAC address can be displayed whether on your product box. Once you set up your device, which is Superbox on your TV, the MAC address can be displayed here, or underneath your device, which is Superbox, you can also see the MAC ID here. Now copy that MAC ID, enter the MAC ID here, select the verification code, enter the verification code to verify you're not a robot, then search here to search for your device info query. Now, if your device is real, some information will be displayed here, including the MAC, model, activation time, and expiry date, and the state of your device. If your device is fake, these information won't be displayed at all. Now also, what are the risks from purchasing from unverified sellers? As mentioned in the previous articles, many people resell used Superbox devices online. During the course of use, some of these boxes may have developed issues, but scammers often reset and repackage them as new to resell them to others. What's even worse is that not only are faulty devices being sold, but there also have been reports of fake Superbox being sold on the market. This is a significant concern. So this manufacturer says they do not offer return or refund policies for individual consumers, as we do not sell directly to end users. Therefore, when you purchase a Superbox device, you must contact the seller to inquire if they offer any exchange or refund options. Each seller has different policies. In our opinion, electronic products can sometimes have defects, so it's essential to choose a reliable and authorized seller to avoid potential issues with counterfeit or defective products. Be sure to check for the Superbox authenticity using the same method which I have shown you here. You can also report counterfeit Superbox devices on their email, which is info@mysuperboxtv.com. Now this page will be available on the description as it contains many useful information here. Also, I'll also link this product here, this information here, which is how to check for counterfeit Superbox products. Also, these informations will be available on the description of this video as well as in the comment section there down below. So I hope this video has helped you. If it helps you, don't forget to give a like and subscribe, and see you next time.